Hello guys, today we will make a short presentation of our new decoder HU100R. This is how it must look like. This is the serial number, the patent number. We have also reset tool here. And first thing we need to do is reset. Before the reset, the gate must be up, must be closed, the back wheel must be all the way right, and after that we can reset it. Here you push every one of the pins. We need to do it every time before opening. We need to do the reset like this. We open the gate and check all the pins visually. Okay. After that, we can start the opening procedure. We also close the gate, turn the back wheel all the way right, and we need to check the right position for the opening. This is the right position because the gate is not moving. If it's the wrong position, you see the gate is moving. So return it how it should be. We open the gate, and the secret of opening of the F series of BMW is that we need to make very high tension only to the left. High tension left, turn the back wheel left, return it right, release the tension, and repeat the procedure. Like this, very high tension, as high tension as I can, and the lock is open. Okay, now we just turn this wheel left if we want the combination. Jiggle it like this way also, and now it's working like a key. The combination is very good imprinted. We close the gate, return the back wheel to the right position, extract the tool. After that we open the gate and check all of the pins, which line corresponds 1, 2, 3, 4. Which line corresponds the pin. This is our number of the combination. Check the other side also, and we have our combination. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.